What's up guys, we're back out here today with the OS23 and today we're going to be milling some lumber for our deck. I wanted to take a second to kind of explain why we use the wedge instead of the log dog, and it's because whenever you have a rounded log like that, if you stick the wedge in there, it just keeps it from tilting and it wedges it kind of up against your back post. And whenever you're using the log dog, it's kind of hard to get it set.
Yes sir. They're more for like a cant, you know.
Right. The log dog is really good whenever you're having a cant because you can tighten it down real easy, but whenever you have a rounded edge, it's kind of hard to get that log dog on there, so that's why we use the wedge.
Yes sir. As you guys can see right here, we just use a small piece of a 1x and set it on top of our blade to get our thickness of our lumber that we're cutting. It just makes it a lot easier instead of using the measurement on the sawmill or tape measure or something like that. So that's just what we want to explain to you guys.
And another thing I wanted to point out here was whenever we're stacking our lumber, we're using stickers, and the reason for that is just to keep them spaced out where they dry out and don't mold.
Alright guys, we just wanted to also mention that you don't have to let your lumber dry. We used a lot of green lumber on a bunch of different projects such as our cabin. The reason that we're stacking it like this is just so to be sure 100% that it doesn't mold.
All the lumber in this video is cut from yellow pine. With that being said, we go through about 1 blade for every 5 logs. You would definitely go through a lot more though if you was cutting like oak or hickory or harder wood, because pine is a soft wood. But anyways, we're just going to keep on cutting. Alright, so we got that log all cut up into some 1x. We got it stacked and stickered right there. And man, you might notice I'm all bundled up. It's like 30 degrees out here, man.
Right, and tomorrow's April 1st, so dude, I don't know what's going on.
Crazy. It just like started sleeting on us or something like that.
That's just Oklahoma weather for you.
Yes, sir. But anyways, we're gonna go get something to eat and just hop straight back to work. That's that truck that we was gonna restore. We didn't have time to record it, but this is what it is, guys. We just ripped the bed off that thing, built the flatbed, painted her with the cheap paint. Look at it now, man. Shining like nothing, man. But anyways, we're about to head on to town. Probably get some pizza or something, but we got options here, man. What do we want to take?
I guess we'll just take the old red truck.
Yeah, because, I mean, that one's blocked in. Who wants to start the old beast? Who wants to look like a grandma? Just take this one right here, man.
Go ahead and give her a cold start, man. Chewy, I don't know if you can see that, but that's like total sleet, dude.
Man, what's going on, man? Shoot, wait. Hello? Call fell.
It's bad service.
Shoot, wait. Can I get 2 large hand-tossed pepperoni pizzas? Oh, that'll be all. Yeah. Alright, thank you. Ah, man. 2 large hand-tossed pepperoni pizzas. Kept telling me about their promotions for some reason. Hey guys, we're back out here. We just got done eating, and everybody knows you can never work on an empty stomach. But anyways, we're just gonna get straight back to work. All right, we got this thing cut into a cant. Now we just got to make some 1x.
In there, man.
Well, we ran out of stickers for the lumber pile over there. So I'm just set this up here on the 4x4s so we didn't have to take that cant off. And I'm just going to run the saw down it and make us some more stickers. All right, guys, we got that log milled up. As you can see, the top 1x are about 12 inches wide and the ones on the bottom are a little bit under 10. But that's going to be it for today on milling. But if you want to step right over here, we got something we want to show you guys. We've told y'all about this before. This is our new food truck. It's going to be called Chicken Shack. And if you just want to look in there real quick.
Yes, sir. Ain't gonna show you guys too much yet. Give you a little sneak peek inside.
Right, but we are going to show you more about this in the future and tell you guys how much it costs and everything and what we're going to be doing. But that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.